Can you believe you are at the end of EDUC 113? So let's discuss your final assignment guidelines. First, thank you for taking the time to discuss your final. Organization design and implementation affect every job position. A well-designed system can make a career, but a poor one can destroy a company. You will utilize phase 2 from chapter 12 of the system's life cycle for your final. You aim to avoid confusion, missteps, and inefficiency. You addressed phase 1 with Monroe's motivated sequence already. Most people in an organization are involved with an information system. The organization's creation and use of the system requires thought and effort. We need to be aware of the relationship of an organization chart to its managerial structure. Your presentation from September 12th was to convince me that the way current technology is used in your job needs to change. Your previous presentation following Monroe's motivation sequence had a significant impact and made a difference, as many people have used it in the past successfully. So recapping what you've submitted on September 12th, you use an attention-getting introduction. You present the current status quo is problematic or inadequate. You show how to remedy the problem and satisfy the need. You intensify the desire for your solution by helping the audience, which was me, to visualize the future. You urge me to take action on your proposed solution satisfaction. Preliminary investigation, which is a key term that you've learned, determines the need for a new information. So during phase 1, you utilize Monroe's motivation sequence to bring awareness for efficient or more accessible ways to get your job done. You completed 3 tasks. You defined the problem, you suggested an alternative system, and you prepared a short presentation. So let's look at an overview of a system, which is a key term, a collection of activities and elements organized to accomplish a goal. To avoid confusion, the flow of information must follow a route defined by a set of rules and procedures, which may need to be changed or revised at times. There is a 6-phase procedure for examining and improving an information system. The 6 stages comprise the 6 life cycles. The life cycle is used by computer professionals known as systems analysts to study systems and determine what actions to take and how to use computer technology to assist. Your final is to share with the system analyst in your organization the information needed to make the technology changes that will significantly impact your position and the organization. The aim is to bring job satisfaction and rewards to the organization. In phase 2, system analysis, which is a key term, you will share the data gathering list with the system analyst to help determine what information will be reported to the managers. You will select a grid chart, a decision table, or a system flow chart. Learn how information currently flows in your business and discover why it may not flow properly. A grid chart shows relationships between input and output documents. The systems flow chart shows the flow of input data to processing and finally to output or distribution of information. A data flow chart shows the data or information flow chart within an information system. The data is traced from its origin through the processing, storage, and output. So list the 6 phases of the system's life cycle to show your understanding of the goal of implementing your solution. Create in your outline and share what data must be collected for analysis. Summarize the highlights of what you've learned about technology in this course. And these 3 points you submit in an outline by September 26th at 11:59. When you do that, I will give you feedback in a day or two that you can apply to your final. The final is due October 3rd, 11:59. You identify the problems of how the current technology is utilized in your job. You reiterate what you addressed in your September 12th submission. You incorporate the feedback from your outline in your final. You suggest which tools is needed to analyze the data that will be gathered. You would apply logic to the technology solution you suggested on September 12th and discuss critical viewpoints which are essential to take into consideration. Furthermore, include an organizational chart or graph approach to break down the components to analyze the information data. List what data needs to be collected to implement your solution. Explain the purpose of the analysis phase and briefly list points for phase 3 and 6 in the conclusion. Phase 3, which is part of the conclusion that you will add to the third phase, involves designing or adjusting the current model to fit new needs or technological changes. 3 tasks evaluating the systems are part of this phase. System development, the fourth phase. This is acquiring new software and or hardware and testing that new acquisition. Systems implementation is conversion. The information system is installed and people are trained. And lastly, phase 6 is the maintenance. It's ongoing as the system is periodically evaluated and updated when necessary. Persuasion is power. You can transform presentations, pitches, proposals, and people with Duarte's creative services and presentation skills training. Visit the website to learn how to glean what you can do to enhance your visual presentation. Throughout your career, you will experience changes in how you do your job using technology. Ultimately, this assignment aims to sharpen your skills and prepare you to participate in future technology changes. Please contact me with questions. We also have our office hours on Thursdays at 7:15. Please contact me in time so I can be of help to you. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you online.